Why is there no robust buying and selling of shares, otherwise called low liquidity, on Uganda's and many African stock markets? Might it be a problem of the application of model that works for more developed markets? Some analysts believe so.
Did we just copy and paste as Africa what happened in the capital markets in the Western world into Africa? Was it actually suitable for our continent? Is it suitable the way we've pasted it here? Have we actually thought through what we need to do that will work for our country, that will work for our continent to make the capital markets work?
In the CEO Symposium, which was part of the World Investor Week, one of the inherent dynamic with Africa is the low saving rate.
And that's why I keep saying that without a strong retirement benefit sector, you can't really talk about capital markets. There are not many individuals who have the ability of setting aside money for 10 plus years, which is the sort of patient capital that capital markets need in order to play their true role in any economy.
Thus, at least in Uganda, major news events will not cause a slide in share prices as happens elsewhere. Only the investor returns mainly drive the share price.
We are not seeing as much liquidity as we would anticipate. Yes, there's a big improvement in the trading turnover. Last year, overall, we had 38 billion traded on the exchange. Right now, we're just under 60 billion traded. So there's been a remarkable improvement in turnover. But what has driven that growth? And what kind of investors have we seen participating in the market? We've seen the performance of specifically Umeme, Stanbic, Baroda driving growth, and investors coming into these companies and trading them quite, I would say, quite competitively. And we've seen prices surge within a very short period of time. But why do they do this? Again, it comes down to performance, dividend yield.
If the securities market is to grow past the current 18 companies listed, more institutions with a given capital threshold, like banks and infrastructure projects, need to be encouraged to list, some market analysts have suggested.